Okay, so day 2 of not getting Grim Workshop, I contacted Grim Workshop and they said some people are getting those later, so hopefully I get mine a little bit later because of the mail crap. I don't know. Ah, so yeah, like I I will have no delivery set for subscriptions this month. Next month, definitely, because I gotta save up to buy people stuff or start giving away the $24 Dollar Tree knives. Here you go. You know, the friends and family and all that. So yeah, I need to save up for the van or at least a trailer for the SUV, so I can do videos in there, storage, and all that. You know. So yeah. Uh, oh wait, I keep forgetting that I record on this phone. It's the phone I take with me. So yeah. Uh, so last night, uh, I was sitting here, right? So it's pretty cool outside, which I like. It was nice, honestly. Today's kind of harder, but it's okay. Okay, so if I can get, or if, not I can get, but if I can find the portable folding hammock, which I actually want to take out of the box and set up, because I want to see how the heck it works. I mean, I know the clientele will be, hey, I live in a city with a small backyard and will have trees in the backyard to hook up a hammock. Uh, I've been looking at um, tent cots. I thought, no way. Because that would be. Well, if you don't know what it is, it's a cot, literally cot with a tent around it. Steve Wallace. You could look up Steve Wallace, tent cot camping. That was an interesting one too. Ah, yeah. Anyway, that's the situation with the Grim Workshop. Hopefully, I get it a little bit later this month. Because I do want it, because the money was taken out on the 27th. So, yeah. Anyway, yeah. Peace.